And here in Waterval Boven, we have this stone circle, which they refer to as the healing circle. And it's a very old structure that is about 25,000 years old. And it naturally condenses and accumulates natural negative ions, which are very good for the body of a human being to align and heal itself. And people don't know such engineering. I mean, yes. We will talk about that
Yes.
on a larger scale,
Yes.
but I'm just giving you a hint why sound engineering is now a very advanced specification in technology.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
And this is ancient knowledge. It is not knowledge that has started here. This is why we have the pyramid. Pyramid. Pyra means fire.
Okay.
And mid
Yes.
in the center. So the word pyramid actually leads us to the accumulation of energy. A pyramid is not a house
Okay.
or a grave where the pharaohs were. Yes.
Yes.
It is actually a machine. It is an amplification device of sound structures that creates resonance and power generation.
Wow.
This is something that we have here in Kemet,
Yes.
in Africa, which the Africans themselves, they don't know how advanced this civilization in Kemet was before the intrusion came about.
Yes.
Yes, this
Yes.
is why we are here, to learn about electromagnetic fields, how these fields harness energy, and how we construct energy, which we term radiant polarized structure, and why this single rock has been used across the world in stone circles and in stone ruins,
Yes.
and in stone structures that we find across the entire globe. Who says there are no pyramids all around South Africa? Who says that? It's only a fool who will say that. Yes, a person who has not learned about the geometric construct of the earth that says that there are no pyramids. Why would you say that there are no pyramids in South Africa? Where did they learn that? If you want to see a pyramid, I have got proof of 36 pyramids that exist in South Africa.
36.
Yes, 36, which
Wow.
have not been excavated.
Yes.
So people should not say things where they have not been.
Yes.
The moment you start looking at it and knowing about this knowledge,
Yes.
the moment you are going to think differently.
Yes.
Yes. Those who say there are no pyramids in South Africa,
Yes.
it's actually madness, because they don't really know what they are talking about.
Yes.
Yes, what you need to do is to do your geological research
Yes.
and to meet people who know about what they are talking about. I have met a lot of researchers, physicists. I've met a lot of biologists. I have a lot of shaman and sha women, people who resonate with sound and also control the grid of the mechanism of the consciousness, who know things which are beyond the realms, and who know what energy is all about. And I've interviewed a lot of geologists and archaeologists and astrophysicists and economists and a lot of astronomers. I know what I'm talking about.
Yes.
And I harness all these people to come to the drawing board, the scientists, and to tell us how the world actually works. Not what the people think the world works like. So I need all these people to come into this research, and we sit down and we can actually draw up and answer those questions. But I need people to visit this site
Yes.
and learn about ancient African heritage and knowledge. Very, very advanced quantum mechanics and quantum physics. What happened on our landscape way before the Sumerians saw the light of day. Kemet was in formulating monoatoms of gold. Kemet was already mining. A lot of the gold which you term King Solomon's mines are based here in Southern Africa, based here in South Africa. This is a place where we all agree that the cradle of humankind is here in South Africa. Then why are we then pointing to other civilizations to say civilization started there, when you all agree with your scientists that the cradle of humankind is here in South Africa? Nobody has researched South Africa.